to another vlog. So today's vlog, I've already been started driving, and it's been 6 hours that I started already driving. I started at 5:30. It was very foggy, so that's why I didn't vlog much. I didn't start like that. So I'm already on Delhi Jaipur highway. I crossed Delhi. I'm on Delhi Jaipur highway now, and should reach Mumbai in next 22 hours. That's what the Google auntie says. Now let's see how fast I can drive and reach to Mumbai. Guys, let's stop for lunch break, and somewhere on the highway, I don't know where exactly I am. Car is performing really well, Wagoner is doing really very well, and I'm reaching Jaipur in more like in 100 kilometers. I'll be in Jaipur. So I don't know where I'll take my night halt today, or if I'll drive the whole night. I have no idea. Okay, so yesterday, if you have seen, I didn't end my vlog properly because I was in a really very bad mood. Because yesterday it was like I met with a major accident. Okay, yesterday I didn't show you my car, so I'll just show you my car right now. Yeah, you can see this. Exactly. So my car, we got hit by a truck, and I was like completely gone. Like my mood was completely dark, and I don't think I vlogged anything after that. No. So that was the that's why I had to end this and my last video at home, have lunch, and then back on road and try to cover as much of kilometers as I can, because tomorrow is Sunday and I want to rest at home. So let's go have lunch and then head back home. Everyone, and yeah, I'm continuing my journey to Mumbai. I slept off quite well. I was staying in this hotel called Asia Palace, which is just next to the highway. Now there are three highways, so I took the middle one. I think this is the old way which goes to Udaipur and then which connects to Mumbai. And right now we'll continue my journey. We'll have chai. It's 5. It's not 5. It's 4:45. And then I shall continue my journey. Let's have chai and eat from Mumbai. Rajasthan is pretty chill, yeah. Not chiller than Mussoorie though. So at last I entered Maharashtra, and it's like 15 minutes back I entered Maharashtra. It feels good. At last the journey from Uttarakhand to Maharashtra is coming to an end. Just having my chai and then we'll head back home. My home is like, my place is around 98 kilometers more, approx 1.5 hours more. I'll reach. So without wasting much of time, let's hit the road. So at last completed my journey, Mumbai, Uttarakhand, Mumbai. It was an amazing experience, driving and coming back, completing almost 4,000 kilometers. Learned a lot of things, no doubt in that. Went through ups and downs, but still at the end completed my drive. Do let me know what was the best part you liked in my vlog, and if you guys really liked my channel, and if you really guys like this vlog, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you guys are tuning my channel for the very first time and watching this video, I would say please do check my previous vlogs as well. That is me going to Uttarakhand, seeing Dehradun, Mussoorie, etc. And do subscribe to my channel as well. Saying that, thank you so much guys for staying tuned to my channel, and always remember to ride with the helmets on and buckle up when you drive. Take care guys, I'll see you all soon in the upcoming vlogs.